So we're going to create a drawing, a working drawing of our pen. So we can see we go to part, we right click and we go to create drawing of part. We want 4 views and we do OK. It'll take a while. Then we can scroll. So using the thumb wheel, we can zoom in. We press on the right mouse button and hold and drag. We can pan because we're going to now dimension. So when it goes orange, click and drag. Oops, we've already got that one. So we just press delete if we duplicate something. So you can see there I deselected the dimension and it was turning blue, not green, so I just had to reselect. So we've got that, and I'm going to pan up. If I select see those two, and finally I'm going to pan across and I'm going to zoom in using the scroll wheel. So that gives me the thickness of the and that's our engineering drawing complete.